This is the Gerber Genuine GA712029 3-inch flush valve for the 28-990 tanks. This flush valve does work for both the 1.28 GPF and the 1.6. Now this flush valve will come complete with the chain, the hook, the flapper, as well as the gasket and the nut to secure it to the tank. Now with some measurements, from the bottom side, the inside diameter measures right at about 3 inches, as you can see there. And then the outside from the thread measures right at about 3 1/8. Now the flapper measured across the top, you can see it measures right at about 3 1/2 inches. Then from the bottom, okay, holding it here, you can see it measures right at about 3 1/2 inches as well. Once again, this is the Gerber Genuine GA712029 flush valve.